So despite the 10% pullback on Alibaba today, February has been a great month thus far. After smashing through this weekly sell level at $100, its next target that it had in sights was this $115 level. And Alibaba buyers didn't waste any time smashing through that level as well. Now the bigger target where the liquidity is at is going to be found at this weekly sellers level at $165. We can see that a bit clearer on the weekly chart. You have this rally in price, base in candles, and then the massive drop, sending price all the way eventually down to $65. So let's look at today's news, find out why the price dropped, and then we'll look at a level where the charts are suggesting price will bounce. So the Chinese tech giant, best known for Tmall and Taobao e-commerce platforms, said today that it plans to invest at least $53 billion AI infrastructure over the next 3 years, making a similar move to big tech companies in the US. However, its American peers have been greeted with some skepticism over the massive expenditures, and now Alibaba is facing similar scrutiny. Now, among the news rattling AI investors were reports that Microsoft was canceling some leases for data centers capacity in the US, meaning it may have overestimated demand for AI computing. Now, the decision in itself isn't bad for Alibaba and reflects the same investments its larger US peers are making. However, some investors' skepticism seems reasonable given the company's recent struggles, US pressure on China's chip imports, and other risks to the stock, including from another government crackdown. So again, the 10% sell-off seems steep for news of investments, which typically precedes growth, especially coming after a general solid earnings report last week that included cloud revenue growth of 13%. However, investors should overlook today's decline as AI spending could pay off, but expect the stock to be volatile over the coming months. Alright, so this is the weekly chart. Again, this 115 level served as resistance not once, not twice, not 3 times, but a 4th time. And so typically what becomes resistance flips and becomes support. So the charts are suggesting look for price to fill that gap. Look for price to retest recent highs. And look for price to bounce higher. Eventually getting to the liquidity where the weekly sellers level should reverse price action. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.